Asuntoskeittiö Lentävänniemi.
Today it's the 13th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. We have... Do it again?
Yeah.
This is weird.
Yeah.
This one doesn't work, actually. But occupied light doesn't work. This is, Männistönkuja 3 sticky C here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, tämä for Finland, where the Tampere light rail line is being extended to by 2024.
Yeah.
This was built in early 1971, turning 50 years old this year, 2021. The number says 25099 with 7 floors. We inspected in 2023. Maintained by Kone here so well. Despite the creaky noises, it should be working fine. But that is a strange glitch.
Yeah.
I have to do it again after we've ridden this. It's like another memorable thing for Lentävänniemi.
Yeah.
I will never forget. But I have seen this sort of glitch somewhere else also.
Yeah.
On MP6 elevators. Or old Kone elevators with MP6 buttons.
Yeah.
But not from early 1971 or like early 1970s, only from 1960s.
Yeah.
Though I can't remember exactly where I experienced this glitch, but somewhere it was.
Yeah. Inspektit pakivaiskutat mietin pakoon. That's